uh, standing here is like it's not real. It's unbelievable, and I am so overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed to see everyone, and I cannot believe. Yeah, it's been 30 years. It's not. It's not easy. It wasn't easy. Let me read through. Mag-antipara din ako, di ba? uh, as you heard, with my brother, all the words are very heartwarming. And I am very overwhelmed to see everyone from clients, former clients, colleagues, friends, former employees, the members of the press who has been very supportive, the OGs, the mga cyber press, and everyone here. How can I be this lucky? I feel so lucky to have all of you in my life because you have been a very special part of my life and my growth. And yun na nga, I think you heard all the stories and ngayon bistado na. More than that, marami pa akong kwento. Actually, kung alam lang nila yung buhay ko, pang maalaala mo kaya talaga siya. Parang may tearjerker, may action, lahat na, name it. Marami talagang drama, comedy, at lahat. At bukod naman dun sa sinabing, uy, baker ka pala, nagtinda pa ako ng Tupperware, nagtinda pa ako ng Avon, and I did not know, nag-theater din naman ako, nag-theater actress ako, di ba? Yan si Chito, yan ang kasama ko dyan, si Mates, and wannabe journalist din ako. I studied journalism in UST because I wanted to be a journalist. But, like my brother said, ang buhay ko ay full of challenges and I had an early marriage. Okay lang, I have no regrets. My children are beautiful and they're here. And they became my inspiration in everything that I do. And I never really had a master's degree in PR, in business. I went to the University of Life. And coming from a family with 11 children, can you imagine what our life was like? It was a whole training ground na pala to prepare me to what we will be doing here. Every hardship, no? Kasi syempre pag 11 kayo, nandyan lahat yung agawan, merong competition, may public speaking, kasi yun na pala yung training ground namin for public speaking. When you talk to my family, public speaking na, di ba? Tapos, we learn to be assertive, creative, and then ako pang inuutusan minsan magluto o maghugas ng pinggan. Lahat kami, we have to work as a team, so we also learn teamwork. So, but, our parents kasi, they're very simple people, but they are full of integrity. They instilled in us the values of, humility, hard work. So it's part of us, and I'm very proud to mention that all 11 children finished college. So talagang education is a big part of our childhood. So we weren't well off, but you have to make do with very little. So we were also very frugal. Kailangan matipid. So everything came to a point. Yun na pala yung preparations for the battle or the challenges that I had to face doing PR. And sometimes sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, there may be better things than, to earn money kasi sa DPWH, di ba? Maraming, dapat contractor tayo. Ang hirap-hirap kumita ng konti. And ang dami-daming gagawin. But that's also because, like Idol said, we seek excellence. So we want to do it the hard way. We want to pitch, and we don't want the easy way. Walang shortcut talaga dito. We have to learn and love each and every client. And we always say, we want to be like part of each client. Kaya hindi ganun kadami yung client namin. Kasi we almost become a part of them. We study and we love and we study the competitors, etc. So yun yung mga challenges namin. And through when, I think you heard it earlier, when I started the company, I had no capital. I had no safety net. And again, what they always say, I started it with just a laptop, a business card, and a lot of guts. I think that's because courage is what kept me going. Courage and determination. Being a single mom also, I wanted a better life for the kids. And I'm happy even though tapos na yung stage na yon, I still go on. And I love what I do. The PR world was old school. So magpa-fax kami, di ba? Magpa-fax kami ng invitations, wala pa tayong cellphones, may beeper. And lahat yan ay landline pa. So, kakaiba, you really need to be very determined to make an event very successful. So, during those times, I used to work with a company called Online Advanced Systems, and that is what got me into PR. And by accident, kasi I was applying as a writer for ABS-CBN, pero napunta yung resume ko sa isang IT company. Wala naman talaga akong alam alam about technology. So I was so scared. Wala rin akong alam about PR. But for me, it was the next best thing to being a journalist. That kind of fulfillment. But then being stable at home. I didn't have any mentor, so I'm lucky nakipagkaibigan ako kay Miss Jingjing Romero, who was always my go-to also pagka hindi ko na yung tindihan, kasi siya yung naunang Diyosa ng IT PR. Siya lang mag-isa ang reyna. So, prinsesa lang ako noon, but and also my other colleague, si Myra Salvosa, she was also very helpful. So, again, like you heard the story together with my sister Irene, we had the luck of launching HP in the Philippines. So, that was a lucky break for us. During that time, parang, wow, it's just me and my sister. Si Richard, who is my part-time messenger, and who happens to be still with Dominguez Marketing after 13 years. So, I'm so lucky to have such loyalty. Siguro mabait ako. Siguro. But I'm so lucky na sa dami ng dinaanan namin, he's still around. And we were also lucky. It was the start of the internet in the Philippines, and we were telling people soon there will be something called the World Wide Web, di ba? So soon magkakaroon tayo ng interconnection, magkakamodem tayo, di ba? And along with that, a lot of opportunities opened for us, no? And we launched Cisco. And Lotus, ayan, ang katrabaho ko sa Lotus, si Fergie, si Vic Silvino was here. And I will always be grateful for the break that was given. And ang boss namin, si Richard din, kasi IBM na yung may-ari ng Lotus. Richard Burgos here. And Ditas, we work with Ditas as well. So I'm very happy that we had that opportunity. And later on, both companies, also a client, Informix, which later on both became part of IBM. But over time, we had more clients, so Microsoft, Oracle NetSuite, and we launched Oracle NetSuite, and we launched Netflix here, Twitter, Waze. So medyo mas bago-bago na yung namin. But But the most important client we had was Intelco because of, as mentioned by Miss Tay, we have enjoyed 12 years of, relationship with Smart Communications and PLDT. And I'm very proud. Thank you, Tay. That speech was wonderful kasi ako yung grateful, pero now you're saying you're grateful, so nakaka-touch. Thank you. I love you all. And yun na nga. So anyway, we were also always going for long-term relationship. We also had clients like EMC, and now actually we're still going on. But in 1999 kasi din, we also opened yung events at work. And that helped us, become, actually we're the IMC now. Kasi pag magla-launch ng company, we have the events, and we have the PR. So, isa na lang, one-stop shop. Then we do creatives, and so nag-expand kami over the years. So anyway, I'd like to also mention that one thing we always tell our clients is to always give back. So CSR is really big for us, and we always tell them. So to tell our clients na, you should give back in your own way. And it has also been a practice for our company to give back. That's why we've worked with, donations and stuff. We always enjoy and do joint projects with some of our clients. Or we enjoy personal, like si Miss Ditas, nakikita namin yung picture. Ditas Formoso here. Nakikita namin yung pictures namin when we were younger, 1999, long before the others were born. Ang babata namin. And we were already doing CSR for the pediatric cancer patient in PGH, the orphanages. Pag may typhoon, mag-call din kami ng drive, no? That's really part of our DNA. And for our 30th anniversary, we're proud to inform you that we are committed to support Voice of the Free, founded by none other than si Miss Cecilia Obanda Pasis. May I call on you please? Kasi she is really our warrior and a fighter against human trafficking and modern slavery. Even that kasambahay law, sila ang nag-push yan. And she is also, can I say, Commander Liway. So let's give a big hand also. We will continue our commitment to Voice of the Free. And if any of you would like to support, ayan, nag-plug na ako, Miss Cecilia. So, again, this journey is never mine alone. I have always been so lucky. We have amazing clients and also employees, former employees. I think more than any award, the best award is seeing the graduates and former employees really blossom. Not just during their time with us, na mas kinahihirapan sila, mini-mentor, kasi kasama yun eh. What they resist will persist, and I say, pagka hindi mo hinarap yung challenge na yan ngayon, it will come back to you 10 times more than that. So gawin mo na ngayon, and ayaw mag-public speaking, no, you have to do it. Ayaw, the challenges that they're facing, they have to somehow, have the courage to face it now. And so with that, I'm very proud some of those former employees are now executives, are now, they have built their own path and successes. And I'm always proud of you. Palakpak naman kayo dyan. I'm very proud of each and every one of you. Kasi natutuwa ako to see you bloom, and some of you always say you learned a lot from us, and that is the meaning, that puts the meaning into what we do. Also, I would like to note that I am here also with the mga taga-Cyberpress original. Kasi yan yung umpisa namin. When we started, core strength namin is in technology. And they formed, wala si Sam, but he said he wanted to form a Cyberpress. And so yung mga OGs, hi, Helen. mga OGs na journalists, nandito rin sila. And thank you for joining us. And that's also where I met Jing. So diba? So, ayun. So it's also very meaningful. Kasi hindi na ako single mom ngayon, and we have a daughter, Caitlin. So again, thank you everyone. To the current team, you rock, Ella and Andy, Luis, and the rest of the team. Naku, baka hindi ko ma-mention lahat. But I'm very proud of you. They're amazing, amazing. Let me also, I saw Kiko and Frances. Let me also tell you the other impact we've made on some of them. The love stories in Dominguez Marketing. I am actually ninang two of the love stories. One is si Ana and David Crespo, and Kiko and Frances. Vidal, yan. Hello, Kiko. So, and Frances, yan. Thank you. And to my core team, sa Dominguez, again, Idel, who has been with me from the start. She is my constant. Thank you very much for being there. Richard, the 30-year-old employees, Alan is also there, 25 years in Dominguez. Si Greya ba nandyan? I think, Edil, are you here? Edil is 18 years with Dominguez. And Greya, I think, is 16 years with Dominguez. So, Carol, 8 years ka na rin. Miss Carol, our creative director. And Maan. Hello, Maan. What will I do without you? Thank you for lightening my burden. Gusto ng anak ko, makabakasyon na ako sa Spain. So, magbabakasyon na ako. Thank you. Ayun pala si Melvin. Hi, Melvin. So, thank you everyone. To my siblings who are all here, thank you sa inyong moral support. Thank you for the trainings and the love that you have given me, at minsan pinapautang din nila ako pag kulang ang payroll ko. Thank you. And to my children, thank you. They kept me going, and they became the purpose of me being determined to win. And to James, thank you for being the wind beneath my wings. Thank you. But finally, I want, and to our media friends, thank you for always being supportive sa aming events. Thank you for your undying loyalty. I'm really touched. Hindi rin naman namin kaya kung wala kayo. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. And finally, I want to thank God. God is the real manager of this company. And without Him, there will be no Dominguez Marketing. So, tonight is not just about looking back, but also about thanking everyone in this journey. Cheers to 30 years. And mabuhay ang Dominguez Marketing communication. Thank you, everyone.